passionate about audio, everything's exciting because you've got to adapt and make things work. Audio is all about the experience. So, the whole thing, no one goes home humming the lights. So if when you go and see something or you want to hear something, no one remembers that good audio, but they remember really bad audio. So 404 is a new venture for us, effectively. DiGiCo has been traditionally a live console, theatrical market, still installation world, but effectively event space. We saw a gap in the market where it's like, well, we can do something that's actually a physical install product, use the IP technologies, the connectivity that we can do, and give someone the ability to have the DiGiCo lifestyle, effectively, within an install product. Most installation systems are actually quite complex to set up. What we've tried to do with the interface with 404 is go, well, actually, let's make it as simple as possible. It's not a matter of pulling bits in here and pulling it here. It just works from out the box. So you can plug something into it, go, I want that audio to appear there. It's fully processed, and you can route it and you can edit it. So it's really, really simple to make it work. Once you have made it work, you can then set up privileges so people who use your software can go, well, actually, I can go in and I can only have access to this functionality. So if I log in with a certain password, I can have access to this stuff. If I log in with a different password, I can have access to this stuff. And obviously the administrator of the system can set up that and decide who has access to what. Where you have controllers, say with a touchscreen controller or a physical controller, at the touch of a button, we can completely reconfigure those controllers. So if you say on a Monday you had this set up with these, you need these controls and this, touch of a button and say, well, now we're going to Tuesday. Tuesday we can now completely reconfigure the whole system to make it work, and it's just at the touch of a button. Training for us is a very important part of what we do. There's no point us building something if we can't teach people and people don't know how to use it. With the installation market, it's all about education. When we talk to specifiers, they've got to go, well, I've got to understand how I can take this product and make it integrate within what I'm delivering to my client that gives them a solution that delivers actually what they need to do. The big thing with it is because we designed it focused around the quality of the audio and the ease of implementation, until people put it into their systems and go, okay, yeah, there's a difference. The thing install's always been not brilliant at is it focuses on the connectivity and the way you can integrate it, but the audio quality level hasn't been the most important thing on the thing. In a performance space, audio quality is everything. The people who have looked at it, and certainly some of our cruise ship clients have gone, yeah, for our theatres, it's a really good solution because actually it gives us what we want, which is a really flexible system with great quality. Whenever you do a new product, you want to hope you've built something that people actually want to use. There's no point doing it if you don't do it. And we think with this we've got it really right. It seems to be accepted and it seems to be doing really well for us.